In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Miro. If you're new to Miro or simply looking to enhance your board with some well-placed text, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and start with step one. First things first, you want to head over to Miro.com. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the login button, click on it. For the next step, you have to decide how you want to sign in. Miro offers a couple of convenient options. You can either log in using your email or, for an even quicker entry, your Google account. Just click on the option that suits you best. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click continue with email if you're using that method. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your projects. From here, find and click on the board where you wish to add text. This will open up your workspace. Now, let's get into text adding mode. Look over to the left hand side of your screen and you'll notice a T icon. This is exactly what we need. Click on it and then you can click on any spot within your board to begin typing. Piece of cake, right? You've started typing your text. Now let's make it stand out. First, highlight your text. This will open up a few more exciting options available in Miro. Feel like changing the font? Go for it. The option to change the font is right there. How about the font size? You can totally adjust that too to better fit your overall design. Let's keep going. There's a B button that allows you to change the font style. Whether you want your text bold or perhaps italic, this button is extremely handy. Furthermore, if aligning your text just right is important, check out the alignment button. It's incredibly useful for ensuring your text lines up perfectly with other elements on your board. But there's more. Sometimes you might want to turn a line of text into a list. For that, look for the list button. It's a simple way to organize information quickly. If you want to link additional resources or connect ideas, click on the chain icon to insert a hyperlink. It can direct your collaborators to the resources you're referencing within your Miro board. Finally, a splash of color can really liven things up. Don't shy away from the option to change the text color. It's an excellent way to draw attention to particular points or simply match the theme of your board. And there you have it. Adding text in Miro is straightforward and allows you to bring a personalized touch to your boards. Feel free to experiment with different styles and make your board uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy designing in Miro.